Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pregnancy test kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for affordability, accuracy, or early detection, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Clearblue Rapid Detection Pregnancy Test. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $7.98 for a pack of 2 tests. Despite its affordability, it delivers reliable results with over 99% accuracy from the day of your expected period. The standout feature here is its rapid detection capability, providing results in as fast as 1 minute. Additionally, its FloodGuard technology helps reduce common user errors by up to 70%, ensuring a smoother testing experience. The design is practical, with an extra-wide tip that changes color upon proper sampling, along with a long curved handle that is comfortable to hold. Performance-wise, it offers easy-to-read results with a simple plus or minus indicator, making it great for first-time users. While not as advanced as some premium options, it can detect pregnancy 5 days before your missed period, which is impressive given the price point. Overall, this kit is perfect for those who need a reliable and affordable solution without unnecessary bells and whistles. The downside is that it lacks digital or early detection features, making it less ideal for users who want ultra-clear results or need to test earlier. But for basic use, it's a solid choice that won't break the bank. At number 4, we have the HealCheck Bulk Pregnancy Test Strips, which come in a generous pack of 25 strips. This is a fantastic option for those who need to test frequently or prefer bulk buying for peace of mind. Each strip is individually wrapped for hygiene and safety, with discreet packaging ensuring your privacy. Accuracy is a key highlight, as these strips can detect HCG levels as low as 25 mmHg per milliliter, providing results in just 3 to 5 minutes. The design is simple yet effective. The extra-wide 5mm strips are easy to grip, and the included urine cups enhance testing accuracy and convenience. While the strips may not have the same polished design as Clearblue or First Response products, they are straightforward to use, with 2 lines indicating pregnancy and 1 line meaning not pregnant. The 2-year validity period and excellent customer support further add to the value proposition. This product is ideal for users who are on a budget and want a no-frills, bulk solution for frequent testing. However, it does lack advanced features like early detection or digital displays, which might be a drawback for those seeking more modern conveniences. Still, if affordability and practicality are your priorities, HealCheck is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Clearblue Triple Assurance Pregnancy Test Kit. Priced at $14.99, this kit offers 3 ways to test in one package: early detection, early digital, and rapid detection. With over 99% accuracy from the day of your expected period, it ensures reliable results. Both the early detection and early digital tests can provide results up to 6 days before your missed period, a feature that sets it apart from many competitors. The design is highly innovative, featuring dual-sense technology in the early detection test to help prevent false positives. The early digital test delivers results in clear words, pregnant or not pregnant, eliminating any guesswork. Meanwhile, the rapid detection test is perfect for those who need immediate results, with its color-changing tip and ergonomic handle for easy sampling. While this kit is slightly pricier than some single test options, the variety it offers makes it a versatile choice for users who want maximum flexibility. Its only drawback is that it might be unnecessarily complex for those who just need a straightforward test. However, for those who value both innovation and reliability, this kit is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Clearblue Early Digital Pregnancy Test. This is the premium option on our list, priced at $16.98 for a pack of 3 tests. What makes this product stand out is its ability to detect pregnancy up to 6 days before your missed period, combined with its user-friendly digital display. Instead of interpreting lines, you'll see clear text, pregnant or not pregnant, making it one of the easiest tests to use. The design is both functional and modern, with an extra-wide tip for accurate sampling and a flashing stoplight that lets you know when you've collected enough urine. Its performance is unmatched, detecting even low levels of HCG hormone with over 99% accuracy. As the world's #1 selling brand for pregnancy tests, Clearblue delivers exceptional reliability and user experience. The only downside is the higher price tag. But for users who prioritize early detection and digital clarity, this test is worth the investment. Whether you're testing early or just want peace of mind with clear results, this is the gold standard in pregnancy test kits. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.